Hey everybody, welcome to the W2W Proving Grounds. Today we have a 1983 Toyota pickup truck on 35-inch boggers wheeling and also a CJ7 on 35-inch mud drains wheeling today. Let's see what happens. Come over here. Yeah, there's the angle. Alright, so we know he's got a rear locker, but he's open front differential, so this is going to get interesting. Let's see, it looks like he's going to try crawling it this time. Oh, there we go, there we go. Come on, baby.
So close.
Yeah, I know. It was like, oh, I didn't even have
See, we got it. Oh, got it. Woo!
pretty good lip on there. Try not to clear up your obstacle too.
It's okay.
Now we got a Yoda hitting it.
Maybe I can send the footage to your son.
Trying to bump it.
Nope, no, you gotta take the easy path. Alright, so that was fail number one.
He can try coming down the hard side.
Yeah, what you can also do, Mike, if you want to come off, where are we going?
ready.
Yeah. We'll go get you the tires over there when you're ready.
Haha! Got it!
All right, we got the CJ coming up on the log jam. Let's see how it does. Thank you.
That.
That's a good looking truck.
Yeah. Is he gonna clear the pole?
Oh, let's see. He's close. He's gonna rub around it.
Gonna rub right on that pole, right over. Got the sway bars on, so let's see what happens here.
Yeah. It's just for the camera.
Is this one in the air? No, it's not in the air, but it's kind of outside of the air.
When you go to race corner and line up with we call that one the knuckle smasher, the tires in the ground. That's a fun one. All right, we got the CJ7 hitting the knuckle smasher.
Is there room to drop a tire in the groove? Nah, I don't. No.
We have the Toyota hitting the knuckle smasher. Look at that. That's a beauty.
I'll try that.
Kicking that dirt.
Well, yeah, do the long something like that. The tire guard, you won't break anything on. It'd be fun to watch. Yep. Yeah. We'll spot you make sure you're not getting pushed or anything.
Woo!
Got it.
Got it! Yeah!
How was that? How's that
Chris, welcome to the W2W Proving Grounds.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so what are you driving today?
I'm driving my 85 CJ7. I've had it for about 9-10 years.
Oh,
it started out as I just needed something to get through an event, and it's stuck.
10 years, that's a long time to hang on to a rig for.
It's been in wedding photos and everything else too. It's
Okay.
been a lot of fun.
Have you broken anything yet in the 10 years of ownership?
I have swamped the motor. I've killed a motor. I've lost brakes.
All right, speaking of motor, what motor are you running?
So I originally was running the six cylinder that came in these from the factory, and now I'm running an AMC 304 V8 with fuel injection.
Okay, I was going to ask carburetor, fuel injected.
I ran carburetor for a long time, and they actually worked pretty good.
Yeah.
But I got frustrated with some things and just went for the.
Yeah, I'd go fuel injected too. What axles does it have under it?
It's got all factory axles. The internals on the back axle are chromoly one-piece conversions.
Oh, nice.
But these are the original 85 axle shafts in the front.
Wow, that's impressive.
I just changed the U-joints on them not too long ago. It was powder inside. There were no bearings left whatsoever inside the U-joint.
I probably need to do the same thing on my Jeep. But so what was your most fun obstacle today? What did you enjoy wheeling on?
We're sitting on it.
Okay.
This was great.
Mount
I love this.
Flexmore right
Mount
here?
Flexmore. And I'm running 35s, and this is like right at the limit of what it can climb over without really fighting and breaking things like you're just talking about.
Awesome. Well, is there anything else you want to share about your rig? Anything that any CJ owners would appreciate to hear?
Well, it's close, right? Like everybody with a CJ, they need a trailer. Like these things are not fun on the street at all. I went once up Afton in this when it had the 6-cylinder.
Oh, okay, that's a big mountain for here, for the East Coast.
And that was the end of that 6-cylinder engine. I lost in the whole trip, I think, 12 quarts of oil. Jeez. Just running out the side, just running right down the side.
Oh, that's wild.
Yeah, so
man, that's crazy.
That's when the V8 started to materialize.
Okay. Did you do that swap yourself, or did you pay somebody to do it? Oh,
this is all budget and all me. So there's nothing on here that I haven't turned. There's no bolt unturned. Got the engine for $500. You know, I got this thing for $700, and it's just been 500 here, 500 there. As most Jeep owners know.
Right. That's awesome.
But I like the leaf springs. The leaf springs are cheap to lift, you know.
Yep. Get that out of there.
Yeah, right on the nose. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. And it's a lot of fun here, man. I've had a great time. Really impressed with what you guys have built. Just you
Thanks.
guys.
We appreciate it. It's fun, and this is what it's here for the community to enjoy. So, yeah, thanks again. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, I had a great time. Yeah, well, it's got a locker, so he's gonna just try the diff is hung up on the tire. Yeah, you're clear. They're gonna, no, he's gonna strap up. That was easy.